Hello guys and welcome back to our winter vlog. So here we are again at Hidden Ridge Resort. This is a resort with a great location tucked away from the downtown area with some scenic views overlooking the town. This condo-style property is popular for its full kitchens, larger units, and wood-burning fireplaces. The Hidden Ridge Resort allows you to be on vacation but still offer many comforts from home. Be a true Canadian and a barbecue year-round. Take a local paper from a lobby to see current events or just enjoy an s'mores from the comfort of your wood-burning fireplace in your condo. And welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. After a long day at the Lake Louise Ski Resort, we booked an overnight stay here at the Hidden Ridge Resort, and to our amazement, it was so beautiful. We soaked in the hot tub and enjoyed the beautiful view of the Canadian Rockies. Amenities at Hidden Ridge Resorts include an upper outdoor hot pool, a lower wading pool, a sauna, DVD players with complimentary rentals, a complimentary local calls, barbecue area with picnic tables. You can also have bike rentals and an on-site laundry, a children's play area, and of course a complimentary Wi-Fi, complimentary parking, complimentary firewood, and complimentary ban from buses. When you are tired in soaking in the hot tub, you can also do an outdoor fire pit and relax and enjoy being social with a little extra warmth. This area is beside the hot pool and open year-round. This casual mountain lodge is a 2.3 kilometers from downtown Banff and a 9.7 kilometers from Mount Norquay Ski Resort. When you come visit Banff and enjoy skiing and snowboarding at Lake Louise Ski Resort or Norquay Mountain Resort, you can book yourself and relax here at the Hidden Ridge Resort with the beautiful views and a hot tub and of course a very comfortable place to stay at night. So this is very highly recommended. The relaxed apartments features kitchens, living areas with fireplaces and couches or balconies, as well as free Wi-Fi and flat-screen TV. Some also offer sleeping lounge. Upgraded apartments add balconies with private hot tubs. Guests receive free transit passes. Additional amenities include communal hot tubs with mountain and valley views, plus a sauna and a picnic area with barbecues. There are also laundry facilities and bike rentals, and, of course, underground parking is available. Check-in time starts at 4 p.m. and check-out time starts at 11 p.m. This is all for our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Take care and be safe.